Hello. Today in the video we are going to talk about the Cricut mock press. We want to start printing or with sublimation pictures. We are going to put it on the cups, the images, and then the first thing that you have to do with this mock press, is going to be that you have to set it up in the computer. You connect it to the computer or to a laptop. Without setting it up, you cannot use it, okay? But right now it's already set up. Then what you do is close to the button, they have the website here, and then they give you the instructions how to set it up. And then you just follow the instructions whenever you install it. And then after that, it's pretty easy to make it work. Then later, you don't need the laptop anymore. And after it's set up, you don't need it. Now we warm up a little bit the mock press already. I normally start with the orange light, and then when it's green, that means it's ready. We are going to use these pictures, these images that we took it from the computer, and then what we have to do is normally you have to mirror the picture, put it the opposite, right? So whenever we are going to pass it to the cup, it's going to be, you can read it in the right direction. Then don't forget that, because then your words are going to be the opposite, okay? Then I already have it ready for them to stick this on the cups. And then what we are going to do, we're going to have the heat-resistant tape, right? Then we're going to stick it all around on the picture. And then we are going to put it the opposite, but we have to make sure that we put it facing, depending on the person, if it's right hand, facing the people outside. You can put one if you want to see it, but we have to make sure that it's in the center for the people to see it outside, okay? And we're going to put today 2 images, one for you and one for me. Then that's what we're going to do. You have 2 pictures. Now, the bottom of the picture is where the bright light is.
The crater?
Yeah, that's the bottom, right? Then you have to make sure that you are centering this. Yeah, in both sides. Then we are going to use the tape, and you don't have to tape all around. You can tape the corners, the center, make sure that the paper is straight. Okay? Then I'm going to do the same thing on my side. Then we can go ahead and start, make sure the bright. And you can see the letters, they're tiny, but they are, you can see which one is the right direction. And you can put it like this. Okay? Then let's go ahead and start doing that. You can go ahead and start putting your pictures. I cut just a little bit on the tape. Make sure that it's centered. Okay, let's see. Yeah, the big light is at the bottom. Then I start with the one that is looking at me. And then normally what I do is I tape the top, so in that way it's steady there. Then I start taping everything around. You want a tape? Yeah. Let me give you a little piece for you too. I'm going to use this other one. Then you can go ahead and do it in the corners. Ooh, this one is better. Yeah, the red one is not so good. Then you want the other corner.
Which corner?
The corners over here of the picture. Let's see, whichever finish first, we're going to test it on the machine first. And yeah, in the corner, like I do it like this. Sorry. and I pass it around. Just to make sure that the picture is not going to move away. Okay. Then make sure that you center the picture, right? Like if whenever you pick it up, if it's your left hand, you can see it this way. If you're right hand, you can see it this way. Yep, looks good. Then this tape is actually safe for heating systems, because if you use regular tape, you may cause fire. Then this one is the one that you're supposed to use. You need one more?
I need one for the other side.
Okay, that's fine. Oh, I messed up that one. You need more? Ah. Still going to the first one. Cut it that way. Okay, are you done with the first image? Yep, very good. Now we're going to do the other side too. On this one is a little lifted here. I just want to make sure it's secure. And I will just go ahead and, just to be safe, the image is not exactly in that border, but I just try to be safe and sorry, right? Okay. Now I'm going to do the other one. Make sure the picture is the right way, okay? Liliana, make sure the picture is in the right position. I know we get excited about sticking the stuff and we don't pay attention, but then as soon as you pass the picture to the cup, it's no way back. Now, I was investigating about if we can put, let's say that we already glue the picture on the top, if we can put another image later. And then, because we were planning to do QR codes, then I was double checking if we have this already, the image installed, can we do it second time on the mock press? Then yes, we can do that. But we have to cover the image that is already on the cup with a how do you call that paper? Parchment paper. With a parchment paper, you cover them to protect them from not melting again. Okay, and then you can put the other image that you want to do. That was very important because we were planning to do that, because at this moment we didn't have the other image, and then that's why I was like trying to investigate that. Do you need more tape?
I'm done.
You are done. Okay, you're the first one then. Oh, can you put the tape over here on these borders just to make sure nothing lifted? Then as soon you finish, you can go ahead and put the cup on the mock press. Now that is really hot. Then we have to be careful not to touch the beautiful color inside there. Did you finish? What happened?
I'm making sure it's the right side.
The right direction?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, that's very important. I think a lot of people at the beginning, if they don't know that they have to flip the image, they have done that mistake of putting the words the opposite. Nobody can read it. But now we know. We haven't done it. I haven't done the mistake because I already knew. Let's see. Okay, I finished mine, but I will let her to do first, and then you will do it second. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Make sure the camera doesn't get affected there. Put it. Yeah, you just put it inside. There you go. Now you have to press this all the way down, hard. Do it. It feels like it's going to break the cup, but it's not. Go ahead, do it all the way. Now the machine is going to start with the different colors over here. No different colors, I'm sorry. It's going to, whenever it gets all the way to the end, it tells you, it will beep that it's ready to take out, and then we just need to wait. Okay? This is it's like 5 of them. Maybe it will take about 5 to 10 minutes to, because it's already hot. And then to melt everything, it's going to take those 5 colors to lead. You can go ahead and sit down while we wait, and then it will be ready in a few minutes. And we're going to pause for now, and then do it, come back whenever it's ready.